I got a WhatsApp from one of the members of staff for Rolexes that I've been sort of trying to get to know and networking with for months. And it looks like I finally might have a chance to get my Rolex Submariner Date Black. And I can't wait, if I'm being honest with you. You know, I really was keen to make sure that I got a Rolex from an authorized dealer, not because necessarily the price in terms of, well, look, I know buying it from authorized dealer is the best way to get the RRP value, but that wasn't really my main concern. It's just that, look, I'm not experienced enough, or haven't got a trained enough eye to say, okay, if I buy from a non-authorized source, that the Rolex that I'll purchase, no matter the value, is real or fake. I'd perhaps never really know. I mean, of course, I wouldn't buy a Rolex from a dealer that's not, in my view, even if not an authorized dealer, you know, extremely reputable. But I just didn't want to take that risk, especially for my first Rolex. So look, let's see how it goes tomorrow. Really excited. But yeah, might finally be doing it.